Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you are all doing amazing. I'm doing pretty well. So today I'm opening Voxbox by Influenster. So I will tell you a little bit about Influenster. I've gotten some questions in the past, so hopefully I can answer some of those here today. And I'll show you what I got. And also, before we begin, I want to remind you that my 2,000 subscriber giveaway is ending tonight at midnight Eastern Standard Time, so there's not too many hours left in the giveaway. So if you're interested, I will leave the link down to my giveaway video below where you can see all of the prizes as well as enter. And all the rules will be in the description box and explained in that video. Oh, my cat just came up to me. Hi, baby. And also, if you like my earrings and you missed yesterday's video, I unboxed these, so I will leave the link to my unboxing video down below. And let's get started on the unboxing portion. So this is my box. It kind of looks like it went through some stuff. Like, see, it's like kind of bent in there. So you can see it says Influenster right there. And this one is the Seed Phytonutrients box. And then there's also some wording right here. Let me read that to you. It says, "Hello, we're Seed Phytonutrients. Our mission is to plant the seeds of health, well-being, and sustainability for future generations. We hope you enjoy using our products as much as we enjoyed creating them. Join the movement and help us spread the word." So it's cute packaging. So if you're unfamiliar with Influenster, it is a program where you get products and they send them in a box which they call a Voxbox. And when you receive these products, you in exchange review them online. So each Voxbox has different requirements. I guess you don't necessarily have to do all the requirements that come with it, but if you do not do them, then you are very unlikely to get any Voxboxes in the future. So when you sign up for Influencer, which I will leave a link down below if you are interested in signing up, it's totally free to do so. When you sign up though, you get like asked to do these like snap surveys. So people have asked me, how do you get Voxboxes? Honestly, I don't get them too frequently. I probably get one like every few months. But if you want to get one, you're more likely to get one if you fill out these surveys and also review products that you've tried. And it doesn't just have to be makeup or beauty products. You can seriously review food, cat treats, like seriously everything. There's a category for all different types of stuff. Pretty much anything you've ever tried. Like, it could be like scissors or something. I bet those are on there. I just have these out to open my box if I need them. Like, you can seriously review everything. And the more reviews you have, that will definitely help. Another thing is to make sure to link all of your social media accounts because they call it your social impact. So that's really all of your followers and all of your networks combined. And you are probably more likely to get some Voxboxes if you have more of a social impact. But they do say that everyone has a fair chance, but I do think it's important to connect all your accounts. If you have them, definitely do so. It's not hard to do. They'll direct you to log in. Oh, hi, Emmy. So really it's just that, and it's a waiting game. I think, like I said, like every few months, so they're not gonna send you a million products. Maybe they will, but not me. And I tend to get like hair care products, which is interesting. I think that was like one of the first Voxboxes I have received, and since I reviewed those products, and to be honest, I don't really take my time to go on there and review other things I've tried other than my Voxboxes, so I just keep getting more hair care products. So maybe if I reviewed more things, I would get some makeup boxes. I have received some makeup in the past. I think some of the boxes I received before YouTube, but the ones I did review on YouTube, I will link those down below if you want to see them. Like, I received like my Becca Be a Light palette, which I love, which I think is right over here. Like, makeup I actually end up using all the time. Like, I love this palette. It's just a little dirty with fingerprints on it. But like, I've raved about this before. Like, so I've gotten some good stuff there. Like, I like it. I know some people don't really love it just because there are requirements like reviewing, but reviewing is super easy. So I'm gonna unbox this, and then I will pull up the Influencer app on my phone and tell you exactly what I have to do with this box and just everything it says on there, so I can kind of walk you through it. So let me see. I'm pretty sure this box is like shampoo and conditioner, but I do not know for sure. And generally when you get these boxes, you have about a month or so. It varies with each box, but about a month to review all the products. So I think that's important. Like with hair care, I mean, I'd like to try this out at least a few times before giving an honest review. Like one time for anything really, I feel like isn't, you know, it's just first impressions. All right, so when I open the box, this is what I see. So there is a card in here I'll look at first. So, yep, it says Seed Phytonutrients Influencer. I've never heard of this brand before. Have you guys? But it says high performance formulas in the first shower friendly paper bottle with a mission to support organic farmers and preserve seed diversity. Wow, paper bottle, it's shower friendly? That's interesting. So I guess they sell these at Sephora, so I'm assuming I'll have to review this on Sephora's website. So it says this is 93 to 100% of natural origin, paraben free, no animal testing, it's vegan, sulfate free, silicone free, natural fragrance, gluten free, compostable paper. And then it says you've received one of the above collections picked just for you and your hair. It says get started. Log into your influencer profile, which we will do shortly. Try the products and then review on Sephora.com and share on Instagram. You must disclose in all online posts that you receive these products free or complimentary for testing purposes. So they're very, you have to do that. They're very adamant about that. You have to disclose, which I think is important and you should disclose anyways. I mean, I'm not getting paid for this, and I definitely believe in disclosing anything that was sponsored. I've never been sponsored before, but so that is that. Isn't that cool? These are paper? So, okay, let's see. The first thing I see is a shampoo. This is the Seed Phytonutrients Moisture Shampoo. It says, supporting independent American farmers who grow our sunflower seeds with hydrating meadow foam seed oil for dry, damaged hair. I'm gonna take this out of the packaging, so it's like in this plastic wrap. It seriously is a paper bottle. This is so cool. I've never heard of anything like this. I'm like even more excited. Like, you know, I didn't mind getting hair stuff. Like, let's see. So this seriously is paper. You can tell. I'm really curious how this will hold up in the shower. I'm definitely going to include that part of my review because I would want to know if I was shopping for this. Like, does this really last in the shower? Because it's paper. And on the back, it pretty much says all the things I already read about, like no animal testing and all of that. And it says this eco-friendly bottle uses 100% recycled material and is shower friendly. Once empty, split the bottle open and discover our heirloom seed packet inside. Then compost the paper bottle and recycle the liner. That's cool. So there is the back of that. Do you guys compost? I need to learn more about that. Okay, and then we have the conditioner. I'll probably just keep this in this bag because it's the same exact packaging. Let's see if it says anything else. It's also in the line for hydrating for dry damaged hair. And it says about the same thing on the back. This is so cool. So these are both, yeah, they're both 250 milliliters, and they're both in these compostable paper packaging. Super cool. And there's one other thing too. I don't know what this is. Oh, a leave-in conditioner. Cool. Let me take this plastic wrap off. Oh yeah, this is so interesting how it feels. So here is that. Am I focused? Okay, I'm sorry if it wasn't focusing before. Sometimes I'm just so excited to talk to you guys. I don't really check my viewfinder very much. I'm like, oh, please be focused when I edit. Please be focused. Okay, but this says, with hydrating meadow foam seed oil for dry damaged hair, just like the other two products, they're all in the same line. It says apply 1 to 2 pumps to wet hair. So this is just a leave-in conditioner. This is awesome. I'm so excited. So we got shampoo and conditioner and a leave-in treatment, and this is 75 ml, so this is pretty good size. These are all full-size items. Generally with your Voxboxes, you do get full-size. Sometimes you don't. Yeah, that is everything. So I'm just going to set this box down, and then I'm going to pull out my Influencer app. So, oh gosh, you probably can't really see because of the reflection. So it says view your campaign. So it's called a Voxbox campaign. So let me pull it up. I hope you guys can see all this. Probably, I don't know if you can, but this is like my profile. I'll just read it. So it just says my social impact is like 18,410. I have 29 badges. So you achieve a badge every time you complete like one of your Voxbox campaigns. And I have 16 followers. So they just recently introduced this. You can follow people on Influencer. So when I leave my link down below, you guys, if you're interested in seeing my reviews and stuff, follow me. I'll definitely follow you back. That might help with your social impact. I'm not positive. So it says the Seed Phytonutrients Voxbox ends in 1 month. So I'm clicking Finish Campaign. And you can just get this app in the App Store. I think it's iOS or Android, whatever. So there's 2 badges on here. Again, I'm sorry, it probably is hard to read, but I'll just read it to you anyways. So there's a Seed Phytonutrients Moisture Collection badge, and then there's a Seed Phytonutrients Bonus badge. So let's start with the first one. It says complete a few easy activities below to unlock your badge for a chance to earn more goodies from Seed Phytonutrients. I actually have finished a badge before and I ended up winning. I won $400 worth of Sigma brushes just for completing like one of my very first Voxbox campaigns. So it can be definitely worth it. Like, I mean, and I think reviews are so important too. Like, I always try and give honest reviews. Well, I do always give honest reviews. And I really, like, my purchases a lot of times are based on other people's reviews. So, I mean, why not give a review and do this? It's free, you get free stuff, and all you have to do is review. But anyway, so for this one, here are the tasks. I know you guys probably can't really read that. I apologize, because my light is right by my camera. One of them I've done already, because it was easy. It says sign up for Seed's newsletter, and that was just like a bonus. Like, when you do bonus things, you're just like more likely to receive like more Voxboxes in the future or something. But okay, so for 20 points, review shampoo on Sephora.com. Another 20 points, review the treatment on Sephora.com. Another 20 to review the conditioner, and then another 20 to post on Instagram. And then there's, so they all add up to 100 if you couldn't tell. And then there's the 20 points to head to Whole Foods. So it says this activity will be coming soon. So they didn't give us exactly what to do. I'm assuming they do this a lot in campaigns, that they'll tell me to go to Whole Foods and take a selfie. So like take a picture next to the product. I never have done that before. I'm definitely gonna review it all on Sephora and I'll post on Instagram. So if you guys follow me there, you'll see that eventually. I always leave my social media links down below if you wanna check that out. So once I complete all of that and get 100 points, then I will get my badge. And then once I complete all that, I can head over to the bonus badge and complete that. So it says done with your Seed Phytonutrients brand badge, complete a few bonus activities and show off your status as a top influencer. And then it gives you all these bonus activities. You can see all of that. I will read them to you in case that is really hard to see. So you get 15 points if you share on Facebook. And then you get 15 points if you follow Seed Phytonutrients on social media. 15 points if you tweet about it, 20 points if you blog about your experience, 20 points if you vlog about your experience. So I will submit this video link for that. And then you can get another 15 points if you write a review on Influenster. So to be honest, what I've done before when I write reviews like on multiple platforms like Sephora, Ulta, and Influencer, or just 2 of those, I will just copy and paste the review into the other like site. So my Sephora review, I'll just also put in Influencer. So I'll like save it in a Word document or just write it in a Word document, and it makes it a little bit easier. It really isn't too hard to do any of this if you've actually tried the products. And then it says complete your bonus badge to boost your influencer status and qualify to earn even more Voxboxes. So, I mean, I find that the bonus badge is easy to do just because I have all these social media channels, you know. So I guess it'll boost your status and maybe make it more likely to get more Voxboxes. So that's another way you can do it. So yeah, and then it says 1 month left. And also on here, you can see what other people have already done. You can see some people's posts right here and their captions and everything. So you can get an idea of what other people put on Instagram. So really you just have to snap any type of photo. They're not too strict. And then you have to make sure you include specific hashtags, but they tell you what hashtags to use. So for this one, there's a cheat sheet on here. Again, I'm sorry you can't see it, but on the app, in the badges, there's a cheat sheet. So you just have to put hashtag people who care, hashtag Seed at Sephora, and then there's a few other ones that like kind of runs off. So the hashtag like Seed at Whole Foods. So yeah, that must be coming, I don't know. But yeah, super easy to do. I honestly am super excited to try these and see how, I don't know, I'm more excited to see how these last in the shower since they're paper. But yeah, so that is my Voxbox. If you guys have any questions about Influencer, please let me know. I'm not sure how good of a job I did at explaining I'm not the best at that, and it's been a few months since I've done a Voxbox campaign, so you know, not super fresh in my head, but it's super easy. I think the biggest thing people have is just like wondering when they'll finally get selected. It just takes time, like a lot of things do. Just keep doing reviews, do your snap surveys, try and connect all your social media accounts, and eventually you will get one. I got my first one when I had very little following, so you could too. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to enter my giveaway that ends tonight. I will do a short video tomorrow announcing the winner, so definitely look out for that. And I hope you all are having a great day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.